Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Is your Apple Mail search broken? You type something in, hit enter, and get nothing? This is a common, frustrating problem many users face. The main reason Apple Mail search fails usually comes down to indexing issues. Apple Mail relies heavily on macOS Spotlight for its search function. If Spotlight's index for your mail data gets corrupted or becomes incomplete, Mail simply can't find anything, even if the emails are right there. It's like a library with a messed up catalog. Here's how to fix it effectively. First, try a quick rebuild of individual mailboxes. Open Mail, select a specific mailbox in the sidebar, then go to the Mailbox menu at the top of your screen and choose a rebuild. Repeat this for any problematic mailboxes. If that doesn't solve it, you'll need to force Spotlight to re-index your entire hard drive. Go to System Settings, then click Siri and Spotlight. Scroll down and find Spotlight Privacy. Click the plus button, then select your Macintosh HD or main system drive and add it. Immediately remove it by selecting it and clicking the minus button. This action tells Spotlight to start a fresh index of your entire drive, including all your mail. This process can take some time, from minutes to several hours, depending on your Mac and data. Your search results should start appearing correctly once indexing is complete. Always make sure your macOS is updated to the latest version. Apple often releases bug fixes for these glitches. A simple Mac restart can also clear up temporary software issues. These steps almost always resolve Apple Mail search problems, getting you back to finding your important emails quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.